Hello everybody, this is Little Paper Ranger again. Today we're folding a person. Today I brought my little younger brother, new Paper Ranger. Now we're gonna be folding a person today. I made small guidelines here so it would be easy to fold for me. But I'll give this to Teja. Now, should we start? The ingredients is 1 piece of paper, a pen or a pencil, or any kind of coloring thing, and a ruler. You don't really need a ruler. I usually use rulers to flatten our paper. Now let's start. Teja, you can stop. Okay, first, what color do you want? I want a orange or pink. So I can choose anything I want. I will choose an orange one. So I need to flip it over like this and we'll start folding. First, we fold it in half.
I fold it in half. Huh? Like this?
Now you have to do it like this. Now, open
Me
it up.
pink? Me pink?
Yes.
Oh.
If you want, you can change it. Now, fold it into the middle again, just like this.
No.
Sometimes I use a ruler and I do this. It makes a weird noise, but it makes your paper very flat.
And this might make us scratchy, but Little Paper Ranger is advanced, so he can just do it like that.
Okay, and then you have to put this to the out. Good job. Now you have to show it here so that everybody can see. Now, flip it over and do the same thing. Now, you have to flip it over and these parts you have to put it in just like this. Then, flip it again and fold it in half.
Oh, but what about these tiny squares?
Oh, we're gonna make that now, but we need these tiny squares. So, we need to fold it again. Now let's try again. Flip it. Okay, and then you have to fold it in half.
Like this, like, and then like this, and then...
Now you have to show it to everybody like this. You don't have to do all the way to this part. You can just wait. And then we have to do the same thing we did before. If anybody plays Minecraft, they would notice if you fold it like this,
It's like Minecraft blocks.
there are little squares like this.
Like Minecraft, because there's a lot of squares in Minecraft.
And then do the other side too, and just finish it off.
Then you have same me, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, we're done with the first few parts. Now, it's time for the kind of hard part. First, if you look here on the bottom, there are some here. Now, first, draw a dot here, 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 here. If you look closely, there are some squares, and then connect these dots. And then above the top dot here, one space above, we have to draw a dot. And then one space here,
Diagonally.
and another one, draw another dot. And between these here, draw another one. And two spaces here. So here, 1, 2. Then connect all these, but don't connect the middle part. Just like this. We're done. You can do it too, Tia. Okay. Black. Or any color you want.
Let's see, three spaces above. And then this way, one.
No. Then here, 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 here. And then connect. Wait, we can't do this. And then here, diagonally 1 and 2. 1 and 2.
Yeah.
Middle, 1 and 2. Connect. Now we should start.
Okay.
First, we have to do a stair folding. First, you fold it like this, 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 this. We already folded it, so it will be very easy. Done! Are you done?
No, almost.
There we go.
There.
First, you see this part. You have to do it like this. And this part, we have to... It's pretty hard. If you did this, you're very good. Now, first, we have to do it like this. And then this part, we have to fold it. And this part, we have to pop it. Just like this. And then...
Like this?
Yeah. Then we have to do it like this. So that it looks like we have legs. Yay! Our human has legs, finally. Now I can walk.
Helpful.
Now, let me review again. First, this triangle, the bottom part, you have to make a small shape that looks like this, the half of a hexagon.
Oh.
And then you have to fold it again. And then finally, we're finished.
Not working. Oh, not working.
Wait. Oh, come on. It's not working for some reason. Wait. Okay. Done.
Yeah.
Now, our character needs some arms. If you open it a little, you see this dot. You have to pop it like this from the behind. Bam. Watch. Here. Oh, we have to do it on this side. Oh, no. Pop. Wait. Come on.
Yeah.
Wait, everybody. I did this the opposite. Sorry. And then one. There. Let me show you again. First, I'm sure everybody knows this, so I'll just skip this part.
Easily.
Done. Now this dot from behind, we have to make
Pop
a
it.
small hole like this. Now we have to push it to the bottom by turning this. And right here, stop. Now it's a shape like this. I'll get mine and let me show you again. Pop this. Again, pop. And then we have to
This looks so weird.
put down these parts. The side parts, we have to put it in so that it's easy to put this down. There, we're done. Now, it's the really hard part. It's the hardest part. First, we have to do this.
How?
Now,
Like this? You're making it so complicated.
like this.
I think that's because
It's
I'm
very
new.
hard because you have to fold it all the way here. I usually just do this.
You might like be angry if you're like a bit greedy person, but just try not doing that. So
Now, 1, 2, 3 spaces. Let me show you again. Why did you make it like this? Come on. Now we have to do this.
yeah.
Let me show you. Done. Now, let's get back to my paper. First, the parts here, we have to squish it. Wow, we have a square. I'm sure everybody knows how to do this. Bam. We're almost there. Yay, we're done. Look at a person. Let me help you again.
I don't know to do anything.
Now, we have to fold it like this.
Oh.
Now.
Yeah.
Oh, but it's like a stick man. Yeah. You have to fold our arms and legs for him. La la, wa la la, wa di da. Like this. Now our human is finished. Are you done?
Yeah.
Wait, I'll just help my younger brother. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.